I never seen in my life. Oh my god.
This one is deer butt mushroom. All the price is higher than before.
Oh really?
Oh yeah, way higher. Oh my god.
Hangum.
My favorite noodle.
Yeah, I like that one too.
Oh really?
Really yummy. Yummy.
Oh yeah, this is glass.
Ta-da.
This one
Ta-da.
almost done. That is we almost done for the japchae.
Yay.
Japchae like that. The food, I mean, that is important how you look the food. But I never think about in.
Wow.
Interesting.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Any marinated beef.
Wow.
Let me mix it. We will mix all together. We're gonna put noodle later, and then mix, and then it's gonna be japchae.
Kimchi chicken.
No way.
Chicken.
We use Caesar a lot.
I know.
Yeah. So in the house, we have a lot of kind of Caesar. Like
Kimchi chicken. Kimchi chicken. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
私は韓国調理科学公共の3年5組です。よろしくお願いします。That's what I learned when I was like culinary high school student.
Hi.
Wait. Oh. Wait. Sorry.
Soy sauce.
And then sesame oil.
Wow.
Sesame oil and then pepper. And then pepper. And then sugar. Just filling. Everything is just filling. And the color is important.
Ooh. Mix.
Maybe a little bit more. Too much vegetable maybe. But whatever. It's okay.
Wow.
So, just the taste. Right?
Good.
Great. Try it.
Wow. Kimchi chicken and japchae.
I'm not good at chopstick. I'm so bad at chopstick.
美味しい。 美味しい。
We made it together. We made it together.
Yay.
Good.
美味しい。
오이지. These japchae good.
Hi guys. Yesterday I couldn't buy anything, but today I shopped in Dongdaemun. I have work from 10 p.m. So I gotta just check out one more store and then I gotta go. I've had so many frustrated moments because I couldn't talk in Korean enough. But today I did in Korean even in discount. So I'm satisfied.